What's up, guys? We took a trip to Orange County. We're at SSR Performance. We're gonna go inside. The last time I was here, one of the guys we knew crashed a motorcycle and had to drive it back. Yeah, that's a story right there. Come on in.
He's in the restroom right now. He'll be out in a sec. Alright, taking a shit.
Probably.
Oh shit, now
We'll shoot some B-roll around.
Yeah, sure.
We'll wait for him to come out.
What's up, brother?
To the camera.
What it do, everyone? What's up, man? How you doing? Sean. David. Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you.
Place looks beautiful still.
Thank you, man.
You look
Thank you.
buffer than ever.
No, man. I'm trying to get to your level.
Not even.
Well, you're hiding the games this morning,
Dad
huh?
butts, bro. Dad butts.
What's up, everyone? My name is Shah Siddiqui, and I'm 26 years old, and we're sitting here at SSR Performance. I was born and raised in Orange County, obviously around heavy car culture. Ever since I was a kid, all I can remember is I love cars. The only thing I wanted every single birthday was a remote control car, a Hot Wheels cars, like whatever you can imagine that has anything to do with cars. I was into it. About 3 years ago, my business partner Zane and I started SSR Performance. It originally started as kind of like a side thing. I was going to UCI. My business partner graduated from Cal State Long Beach in aerospace engineering. So Zane was working at a company like a 9-to-5, and he was kind of over it, and I was kind of finishing up school. So we decided that we're going to open up SSR Performance as just kind of like a side thing, just to have some fun and be able to do what we love.
Did you guys check out the other area already? Obviously, got the office area right here. Got restrooms behind me. Other sales office. Front reception area. Packed with snacks. You guys grab whatever you guys want, by the way. Just
Let's step up our game, guys.
now we gotta get to the drift car level, dude.
Oh, dude. Look, the drift cart level electrical? We
Huh?
gotta put you on an electric cart.
I'll show you a little drift car. I got a little surprise for you. But yeah, so this side is like a fabrication side. So we actually used to do more detailing stuff and other things in this area. But yeah, now we do. There's so much work being done on that side now that we're overloading that side, and I kind of want to move it back onto here. And not to mention with all the new exhaust stuff going on and all that. So these are actually our GT3 exhaust headers. Ooh. Obviously not street legal, but you know, we're gonna ship them out for race cars and other things like that. But these go on the 991.1 GT3s. So
You guys do all the work here?
yeah, it's all done right here on that table right there behind you. So, you know, legit hand TIG welded, American stainless steel 304, and all the way complex to the point where like we could put valves and things like, you know, valves. So this actually works with a stock valve system. Plugs in right here, and check this out.
Ooh.
I don't know if you can see that on camera, but
My goodness.
yeah. So everything from basic straight piping, like what we did to this car right here, this Lotus.
Yeah.
We'll start out in a bit. It sounds fucking sick. And I got this lined up. I got another one lined up. I think next week. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be doing that.
Oh yeah. Wow. Customer cars. That's our shop car right there. It's an M2 competition.
Yeah.
So that one actually has the M3 M4 engine. It's actually carbon fiber heads. We got the custom match and everything. So it has the M3 M4 S55 engine. So all the parts that we make for the M3s and M4s, like the intake, charge pipes, all that stuff, it crosses right over to this. We actually just upgraded the turbos on it. So this car should be going to 700 horsepower pretty soon. Full 85, pure stage 2 turbos.
Very loud.
Yeah. We're gonna try to take it to shift sector, see what it can do. It's stick though. So you have a slight bit of a disadvantage in a straight line, but it's way more fun. Way more fun.
So the reason why we bought the M2 competition as a shop car is because, like I said, originally we started in the BMW community. We've really built a niche. So if you come to our shop, you'll notice that it's pretty much all BMWs. We also have other cars as well, but a large majority of what we do here is BMW. And because of that, we pretty much stuck to our heritage where we started, and we picked the M2 competition because it's different from a regular M2 because it has the heart of a M3 M4. So it has the S55 engine, which is a 3.0 twin turbocharged motor, which makes a lot of power. It's a slightly detuned version of it, but it has the exact same potential, the exact same parts that the M3s, M4s come with. So it was something different. It was something new. It's a 6-speed, so it's a lot more fun to drive than a lot of the newer DCT cars. We want to take it to the track. We want to, make it fast in a straight line, but not only just in a straight line, but also have fun on, Laguna Seca or whatever other track, Big Willow, that one day we're able to take it on. We already have Pure Stage 2 upgraded turbos in that car. We're also working on a few other items, hoping to have it at 700 horsepower soon with, running full 85. So yeah, it should be a pretty fun project for us. We just started working on it about probably in the last month. So we'll see where it goes and hopefully have it up and running for the summer.
This is a stock Ferrari Lusso muffler, and this is a V12. So what happens is, you see there's a valve here, right? So when this opens, it pretty much goes straight out through this pipe right here on the outside. But look at the size and the diameter of this pipe right here. That's tiny. So when you have this closed, everything is being forced. All the exhaust gas is being forced through this little pipe right here. The reason is they actually go smaller diameter because not only does it restrict like the sound, it also restricts the power. So what happens is when you go above a certain RPM, it'll be forced to open. Like this valve has to open because the gases just can't go through this small pipe right here. Right. It's like the side effect of making it quiet is like, how do you make a V12 quiet, Yeah. And the only way is you close this, you put it through a fat muffler like this, and you make this diameter smaller.
So this Ferrari Lusso that you see behind me, it's a 2019 Ferrari Lusso. We're doing a full exhaust on it. So we actually work pretty closely with FI Exhaust. A lot of you guys are probably familiar with them. They make exhaust for a wide variety of cars. So we're doing a full valve system on this one. It has a V12. So it's gonna sound just ridiculous. The nice thing about the FI exhaust is that when you close the valve, it's super quiet. When you want it to be loud, boom, at the click of a button, you have all the sound that the Ferrari can give you. So it's definitely a really good option for people that are looking to have an exhaust that goes from quiet to loud whenever you want it to. We start off in a little tiny, like 600 square foot location in Huntington Beach. It was literally, I think, like $1,000 a month. It was the cheapest place we could find month to month because we weren't sure how it's gonna do or how long we're gonna be doing it. Again, it was just for fun. We eventually grew from that location. Within 3 months, we moved into Santa Ana. It was a location about 3 times that size. So it was right around 2,000 square feet, and that location did us really well. We were able to fit 2 lifts in there. The first location only had 1. We were able to fit 2 lifts in the second location, along with having an extra bay to work on a third car. So we were able to handle volume, and our ratings started going up on Yelp, Google, and people started talking about us on the forums, and local car enthusiasts started talking about us. And next thing you know, like we go from having 2 appointments a week in the Huntington Beach location to having 2 appointments a day to having 5 appointments a day. So about 1.5 years to 2 years after we opened the Santa Ana location, about a year ago is when we opened this location. We closed that location and opened this, and this is about 3 times the size of that one. We're sitting in a building about, I think it's about 6,500 to 7,000 square feet. Alright, so if you guys are looking to get anything done in your car and you're local to us here in Orange County, feel free to reach out to us via phone, Instagram, website. Our Instagram is going to be SSR Performance, no special characters, just at SSR Performance. Website is ssrperformance.com, and our phone number is 800-438-2808. Reach out to us, DM us, email us, call us. We're more than happy to answer your questions and get you set up with your next project.
crew here.
Yeah, we got a film crew out here and everything. This is buddy Mike.
Nice to meet you.
He has a channel on YouTube. He does a lot of stuff on YouTube.
Okay, Mike, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Walker. Like the beginning of 2016 was our first location. 2015, halfway through the year is when I first started. Like when SSR Performance was actual like a thing that we started.
When did you start in the garage?
2015.
Damn, so you guys were quick.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
3.5 years. It's been 3.5 years. Thank you, man.
That's what a Lambo is actually. Like
Yep. So that's actually our SSR Performance. Let me show it to you. SSR Performance, custom made here in house. So you can see, it actually has like the laser cut logo right there. Yeah, this thing's gonna sound nuts. I actually have a decibel meter, so what we'll do is we'll do a before and after to see how what the difference is in sound. Yeah, it's cool.
gonna be pissed.
Yeah. Bro, I'm telling you, it'd be loud.
The parking garage, you're gonna set car alarms off.
For sure, 100%. Yeah. You live in Huntington, right? Yeah. Is you have like one of those underground garages or something? Yeah, it's for sure. It's gonna set off alarms like nuts.
Yeah, good. That's what we want, right?
Yeah, let's check out the car.
What's up, you guys? Jeremy Buendia, the 4-time Mid-Atlantic Olympia champion. I'm here at SSR Performance. I'm getting my 2018 Lamborghini Huracan done up here. We're gonna put on custom exhaust. We're gonna put some wheels on it. I've also got my M4 here. We're gonna do some work on that as well. I just wanna say thank you to SSR Performance for hooking me up. Cool, guys.
Nice
meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you as well.
Nice to meet you.
I did too.